test setup window contains parameters that may need to be changed when setting up for a new lock-in thermography test. Cycle frequency is the rate at which power is delivered to the device. Cycle frequency can be set to between 1 and 15 Hertz. For frequencies lower than 1 Hertz, you would select cycle time and enter a value for the length of the cycle. For bare die and decapsulated chips, frequencies from 1 to 15 Hertz can be used. It's usually best to start at 1 Hertz, and after detecting the hotspot, you can increase the cycle frequency to improve spatial resolution. Spatial resolution is improved at higher frequencies by reducing the thermal spread from cycle to cycle. Testing package devices requires a cycle frequency lower than 1 Hertz because the heat generated by the hotspot needs to conduct through the package to the surface where it can be detected by the camera. For thin packages, an appropriate cycle time is between 2 and 4 seconds. For thicker packages, an appropriate cycle time may be 6 seconds or even longer. For test duration, it's usually best to check the continuous test box so that the test continues until you press the on-off button. Power mode should be set to on-off. This sets a duty cycle of 50%. Power is on for the first half of the cycle and then turned off for the second half of the cycle. Test resolution should almost always be set to 10 microkelvin. That's for detecting temperature increases below 500 millikelvin or 0.5 degrees Celsius. Image update determines the frequency at which lock-in images are calculated and displayed. Calculating lock-in images requires significant computer processing, and therefore, to prevent any delays in real-time capturing and processing during a lock-in test, it's best to limit the image update frequency to 10 seconds or even longer. The Autosave Test feature periodically saves test information to the hard drive, so that if there is any interruption in the test, the data will be saved up to that point. Now, a test file requires about 150 megabytes on the hard drive, so that if you use this feature, you will need to periodically delete test files that are automatically saved from the hard drive. In most cases, a good period for auto-saving is 30 minutes. When running a test over many hours, it is possible to experience an interruption in camera communication. Check the auto restart box to automatically reestablish camera communication and restart the test when an interruption occurs. Thermalyze, thermal image analysis software. For more information, please visit our website.